Cordless at-home clipper and trimmer combo make hair cutting easy and convenient. Select Cut Clipper features a lithium-ion battery that offers 2 hours of runtime from a single charge. Select Cut Clipper features a ceramic blade that adjusts from 1 mm to 1.9 mm. Select Trim Trimmer features a lithium-ion battery for a 90-minute runtime. Select Trim Trimmer includes a stainless steel blade to easily trim beard, mustaches, sideburns. With the Andis Envy Combo we pair a high-speed magnetic motor clipper and powerful rotary motor trimmer to cut and finish all hair types. The Andis Pivot Motor Combo features more power and a slower blade speed to better cut through thick, coarse hair. Available in black and platinum colors. We make haircutting easy. Andis combo kits include everything needed to clip and trim all hair types. Pivot motors have a lower blade speed than magnetic motors but are twice as powerful. This makes them ideal for cutting thick, textured hair. Top reviews from the United States. Very good product for the price. Wonderful brand, gave a great cut, just like my barber, easy you use and clean. The package comes with everything that you need: clipper, trimmer, heads, scissor, comb, brush and cut apron. The only drawback is that you have to recharge after each use. The red light will come on. You won't be ready to use for multiple weeks without the immediate charge.